What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Rebel Dipper here. We got a little bit of a different video today. We're not going to be doing any dip reviews. We're going to be doing a truck review. But anyways, first of all, on this channel, we got to pack us a lip. Starker's long cut mint today. Nice fatty. Anyways, let's go out here and start this review. Sorry about the lighting right now. It'll be better once we get outside. Anyways, we got a 1996 Ford F150 XLT. It's black with greenish mint pinstriping. Start to fade a little bit. Anyways, this is my truck. One of my favorite stickers right here. Dodge Father and daughter. I got a Lance Louis sticker, firefighter, pipeline stickers, Harley Davidson sticker, U.S. Army sticker. Anyway, the inside is not very clean right now, but here's the inside. We got a 5-speed manual transmission, 2 subwoofers in the back, West Coast Customs stereo system, pop hood, see what we got on the hood. This truck is not running right now, the battery is dead. We got 33 super swampers with a 2-inch lift. Get this hood open quick. Anyways, we got the stock engine in it still. Got 302 motor. This truck has about 282,000 miles. Been in about 2 wrecks. Hit a bunch of deer with it, but it's a really good truck. But anyways, you got your brake fluid here. Brake fluid's pretty full. Got some new brake lines on it. Starting to get a little rusted. Need new intake hose. It's got a hole somewhere. Got the new headlights in the garage for it. Hopefully in the next month or two I'm going to be putting 351 Windsor into it. There's a bunch of this stuff in here we don't need. Anyways, we got 33 super swampers, general grabber ATs. But it's got a Potter County, Pennsylvania license plate on it. But anyways, XL edition. These are custom hand job painted pinstripes. This here's this graphics. Everything like this is hand painted. Hit a mailbox, hand painted here. You got the hand painted Ford. F150 Sport. Got a little rust. Bedside's rusted. Cab corners are rusted out. But anyway, this is my truck. I'm going to start fixing it up here soon. But anyways, yeah, my truck. Back inside here and finish this video. But yeah, that's my truck. Should be back Monday or Tuesday with another dip review. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your likes, subscribes, comments. Hit me up on Snapchat, JamesFreak7. Anyways, thanks for watching. Rebel Dipper out.